if the point of intersection of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by b square is equals to 1 and circle x square plus y square is equals to b 4b for b greater than 4 lie on the curve y square is equals to 3x square, then we need to find out b. This question is asked in 16th March. See, totally three different equations curves are involved. First thing is ellipse equation, second thing is circle equation, and the other one is a curve y square is equals to 3x square. Okay. See, point of intersection of these two lie on that curve. It means a point is there on these three equations. ఓకే, ఈ త్రీ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే ఒక పాయింట్ ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటే, ఈ త్రీ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే విధంగా ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది అనుకుంటే కరస్పాండింగ్గా మనం బి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో వై స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3x స్క్వేర్ ఫస్ట్ యూజ్ చేసి ఈ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని ఎక్స్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే, సో దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ విల్ బికమ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3x square is equals to 4b and y square is equals to 3x square in ellipse form. X square by 16 plus 3x square by b square is equals to 1. We need to calculate b, right? X square plus 3x square is equals to 4b. So from there 4x square is equals to 4b. So clearly x square is equals to b. After having x square is equals to b, we need to use in ellipse form. X square is b. So this implies, so here if you use b by 16 plus 3b by b square is equals to 1. So you simply cancel out 1b and then make a quadratic in terms of b. So you will get it like this. So multiply everything with 16b. Okay. So if you multiply here with 16b, it becomes b square. Plus if you multiply it with 16b, that is 48 is equals to 16b. So finally b square minus 16b plus 48 is equals to 0. So to get b, we need to factorize. 12 fours is 48, 12 plus 4 is 16. So this is simply b minus 12 into b minus 4 is equals to 0, right? So finally what is b? b is equals to either 12 or 4. But as they mentioned b is greater than 4, we need to neglect this 4 because this is not greater than 4. We need to accept this 12. So at the end our answer is 12. That's the question from ellipse asked in 16th March. Have a look. Next problem. Let L be a tangent to y square is equals to 4x minus 20. Actually it is a parabola at the point 6 comma 2. If L is also a tangent to x square by 2 plus y square by b is equals to 1 and this is an ellipse, then we need to find out the value of b. This question is asked in 17th March. So the question involves with a common tangent for this parabola as well as for this ellipse. Okay. So usually మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో డైరెక్ట్గా ఎలిప్స్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చే సందర్భాలు తక్కువ. కానిక్ సెక్షన్ రిలేటెడ్గా ఎలిప్స్ విత్ సర్కిల్, ఎలిప్స్ విత్ పారాబోలా, ఎలిప్స్ విత్ హైపర్బోలా, ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్సే మనం మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కేసెస్లో ఫేస్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫర్ దిస్ పారాబోలా. సో యూ జస్ట్ ఫైండ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ ఎనీ వే యాజ్ యూ విష్. See, y square is equals to 4x minus 20. I am just moving with differentiation method. Just differentiate it. 2y, y dash is equals to 4 and then y dash is equals to 2 by y. So then what you say about slope of tangent for the parabola at the point? Slope of tangent at the point 6 comma 2, y coordinate is 2, so 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Now tangent for parabola at the point y minus 2 is equals to 1 into x minus 6. See, if you simplify, y minus 2 is equals to x minus 6 and x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. See, x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. You just express it in comfortable way. Y is equals to x minus 4. And now this y is equals to x minus 4 is also a tangent for this ellipse equation. See, if y is equals to mx plus c is a tangent for x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. What we do? You just compare it with y is equals to mx plus c as a tangent for x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Then what is the tangent condition? Tangent condition is c square is equals to a square m square plus b square. Is it right? C square is equals to a square m square plus b square. Use that. What is c? When you compare, c is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square is equals to, what is a square? A square is the denominator of x square, which we have here 2. So 2 into m square. M is the slope of the tangent and that slope of the tangent is 1. So 1 square plus b square. B square is the denominator of y square. Here we have just b. So write it b. That's enough. Then b is equals to 16 minus 2. That is equals to 14. At the end, our answer for the problem is 14. Just have a look. This is question from 17th March.